Hello guys, bago magsimula ang ating vlog, kindly subscribe to my channel para may bago tayong upload every time and click the notification bell para update kayo sa mga bago natin mga videos. Maraming salamat mga idolo. Tonight guys is nandito tayo sa MacArthur's Resort. Yan, dito yung namin guys, accommodation guys sa aming travel tour. Ito yung dito kami nagstay for one night and then after morning is babiyahe na kami guys pamunta doon sa Britannia Island. Hiyud-hiyuran, the naked island of Boracay, Philippines. Hiyud-hiyuran guys. Naligo guys sa White Sand Beach. Sponsored by Aquaflash Philippines. Aquaflash, back ka naman. Ligo guys, let's go. Mutag balas guys. O andito guys, pwede kang bumili dito ng mga makakain sa mismong isla. May nagbebenta dito ng sari-saring seafood like sea urchin, yung mga shell, yung mga tahong, meron ding mga seaweed, mga lato-lato, at meron din ditong guys, o yan, yung coconut, freshly coconut, at yung mga pasugba at mga itlog. Okay guys, gumong guys. Kaon guys. Yung guys.
Kaon gani mawala na mo sakit
guys. Tambal na ni guys.
Magibiyahan ka kuyab guys. Kaon na gani guys. Kay mawala jud nimo hubag siyang bunol.
Balik-balikan guys. Guys ay. Kaon na mo diri guys. Kayo. Sambiya sa panahon rin, wala piginit bro. Kayo ba? Atag toyom guys. Toyom sa kadagatan. Ano lato guys? Sa to lato guys. Sa suka kol.
Kwarto man.
Hugasan.
Hindi pa buhang.
Good. Isa pa guys. Pinatakilid ka kaon guys. Pinatakilid guys. Guys, muna yung authentic guys nga. Wala siya guys. Lami kayo guys sa guys, kupras guys. Lami kay kupras guys. Lami kay background ko lo. Perfect. Agad kay background ba? Sponsor na guys ha, sponsor. Pakitaan mo guys sa pagkaon og kupras. Himagas guys, lami kay guys. Lima. Lima Beach Resort. Payo.
Pay.
Murag paluwa ba?
Pay.
Paluwa mo. Payo. Dilo sa dilo. Guys, payo tuyo. Ay, gabriha na guys. Sa ulod ka na. Payo. Umok na briha no? Ay, nakuha sa unod eh. Murag tahong ba? Unod. Uy, pa na no? Ay, labay din yung unod eh. Gumayar di sumakaon na eh. Slice.
Suka please.
Like sofa da yun. Kayo. Kain Ziba guys. Kain na si BJ guys. Oh, may hotdog sa dagat at sa may egg sa dagat. Ligo muna account sa Bagoligo. So, gawas guys. Humok na din kayo.
Ha?
Humok na cool. Sausaw din sa sinamak.
Gra.
I want this is one more hot dog.
Okay. Yummy. Guys,
Ay, sunod ko po kay Bati.
payong guys.
Yummy.
Pampatamis ba ng payong? Pampatamis.
Effect.
See you next year. Goodbye. Be back tomorrow. Early morning. So yun guys, umalis na kami guys at lumipat na kami sa ibang isla. So from Hagonoy Island is malapit lang guys, binyahe namin papunta sa Naked Island, yung parang buhangin na isla. So madali lang biyahe, almost 5 minutes. And then yun, bababa kami guys. Parang mas maganda pag low tide, high tide yung pagpunta namin guys, kasi mas malawak at mas malaki yung sandbar na pupuntahan natin. So ayan na guys. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa mismong area, yung Naked Island. Ayan guys. Panoorin nyo na lang guys kung gaano kaganda yung tanawin. Let's go!
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No one they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. New horizons waiting for us,
guys.
because we were made to go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my past to build my future. Keep moving forwards, go beyond what they thought possible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No one they build can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the standing on the edge of greater.
Yan, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and subscribe kayo guys sa YouTube channel natin. So mga binibenta dito guys is 100 pesos to 50 pesos yung mga seafood dito guys. Abot kaya at masarap at syempre preskong presko ang mga pagkain dito guys. Pasyal na kayo guys sa Surigao del Sur. Napakaganda ng tanawin guys. Worth it ang pagpasyal dito guys. Subscribe guys. Salamat.
Guys, para maluto guys. Guys, tuyong. Tara kol, tuyong kol. Ya, kung sa lasa. Ka-explain sa lasa.
Amay kayo.
Lami na guys. Guys, sarap guys. Masa na siya? Wow. Oh. Pundador. Tangan ng pundador guys. Lami kay guys, nadre sa isla guys, nagkaon-kaon guys. Lag na kamo dire guys sa Surigao del Sur. Lami kay guys. Mangan.
Bang.
Manta. Piyong dyan, no? Makapiyong dyan ka ba? Nami kayo guys. Sorry guys. Nami kayo guys.
So yan guys, na-witness nyo guys kung gaano kasarap yung mga seafoods nila. Napakamura at syempre napaka-presko. Next guys is dito tayo sa pang-apat na isla. Dito na yung sports activity guys. At abangan next vlog guys kung ano yung mga nasakyan namin na sports activity. Meron dito mga banana boat. Merong hurricane. Yan o, hurricane yan siya guys. Oh, napakasarap sakyan yan guys. At saka napaka-extreme adrenaline rush. So yan guys, abangan next vlog. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Peace yo!
Far away from home, there's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I